Name is Keith Antoon. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Sip Tequila. We're located in Stuart, Florida. We're 2 hours from Orlando, 2 hours from Miami, and about 3 hours from Tampa. We're a DTC, direct-to-consumer retailer for all things agave.
We ship nationwide tequila, and in terms of tequila, it's not just tequila. We actually have mezcals, different agave spirits. We even have some really high-end bourbons, but we ship nationwide. We're able to personalize everything and offer just a really handcrafted premium tequila experience.
We started off as a local Florida business, and over the past 8 years we've grown, and now we handle clients in over 40 states.
We also have a team that will go out to Mexico and source small distilleries and give local brands in Mexico a chance to be imported here and be distributed for people in America.
I would say we have two segments of customers. We have our tequila enthusiasts that are just looking to pick up the newest, latest, greatest thing. But then we have a whole segment of customers that are doing corporate gifting all year long, but they're preparing for the end of the year for either sales incentives or the holidays.
We get every kind of client you could think of. We have young crowds that come in here. We offer local tastings, and we do a lot of events here. So we have definitely a nice party vibe where people will come in and have some drinks and hang out when we're doing events. We also just have everyday run-of-the-mill people who will come in and say, hey, I've never had tequila before. I'm really interested in getting into it. Where do I start?
So we have the Trotec Speedy 400. When we decided to bring this in-house, we were looking at all the bottles and we said, let's just get the latest and greatest version.
It was probably one of the best additions to this company because our whole idea behind the business was to make tequila fun and different and very personalized, and it really added that touch of personalization that we were craving.
About a year in, somebody asked us, hey, can you engrave this? And I said, yeah, we'll find somebody. So we found a local shop that did engraving. Peyton, who runs all of our inside sales and corporate gifting now, she would drive them to a local shop. We outsourced everything. And then it started getting where we needed to bring multiple loads over a day. And I said, okay, we got to figure this out. How do we bring this in-house? The woman that we had working for us, she had experience with Trotec, and I asked her, I said, I want the latest and greatest. And she said, we have to go with Trotec.
Trotec came highly recommended immediately, and there wasn't really many other options or avenues that we had to explore. It was pretty clear. The customer service was wonderful. People got back to us immediately. Communication, punctuality was all there.
Their service, their customer service, the service of the machine, just everything about it was top notch. And I would say when we started this business, our goal was to be white glove service in everything we do, and that showed true in the machine and the people behind it.
We engrave glasses, we engrave even wine tumblers or on-the-go mugs. So if we have something that we can engrave in-house and provide it to the customer, we do. Every bottle is different, and I think when it comes to someone who's getting interested in tequila, it makes it more fun. You have your personalized bottle, it's one of a kind.
Most of our bottles will fit. We can get 8 or 9 bottles in at a time, of a majority of bottles, but having the rotary machine and just adding on the accessories, Melissa, who runs engraving for us, makes her job a lot speedier, if you will.
It really enables us to add things to the product that normally we wouldn't be able to, and it offers more variety to our clients.
It has helped the business grow. We would have never had a 1,200 bottle order like we just received. We would have never gotten that order if we didn't engrave. I mean, that was a $100,000 tequila order that we received, but that wouldn't have been here if we didn't have the machine and the engraving capabilities.
Trotec definitely helped this business grow. Whether you're an individual or a retailer, it opened up so many avenues for us for being able to really customize bottles and provide clients exactly what they want. And then on top of that, even our own bottles and our house brand of Compa Veda, we're now able to customize a lot of things in-house rather than putting it out to a third party, which made things a lot easier for us.
You can find us at siptequila.com. We're on Instagram and Facebook as sip_tequila. Check us out. We have a lot to offer.